Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic. This Ram is featured in the gray paint finish and is an SLT trim. It includes features such as our ParkView rear backup camera, heavy-duty engine cooling, a 10-way power driver seat, as well as power folding heated outside mirrors. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see our chrome finish door handle. Below it, the controls for our power heated outside mirrors, our window controls, our window lock, as well as our door locks are at the bottom. In the bottom of the door, we can see some additional storage. Up and to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls and a vent. Moving to the middle, we can see our cluster gauge with a digital information system in the middle. The left-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free, as well as our menu settings for our cluster gauge. The right-hand side of the steering wheel has our gear up and gear down, as well as our cruise settings. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have our radio, our Bluetooth media, our phone settings, a compass, as well as additional settings and more. Down and to the left of our infotainment system is our drive mode. Below it is our drive select. Then we have our climate control in the middle, and our traction control and tow haul buttons are below that. And on the passenger side, we have a 115 volt plug and a storage space above. In our center console, we can see at the bottom, we have some storage. We also have 3 cup holders and a center console that opens up. Inside of it, we can see that we have 2 USBs, as well as an auxiliary plug. The center console can also flip up to make a third front seat, and it has a storage that on the front, as said. Moving to our seats, we can see that they are in a black and gray cloth finish. Then above the rear view mirror is the controls for our rear third sliding window, as well as our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our wheels and rims, we can see that we have an aluminum finish with a Ram center cap. On the front door, we have our Hemi 5.7 liter badging, as well as our Ram 1500 Classic badging. We can see the black finish in our power heated outside mirrors, as well as our paint match finish on our front and rear door handles. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see our Dodge logo once again, our SLT and 4x4 logo, and at the bottom, our trailer and hitch. Moving to the door handle, we can see that we have our backup camera. We can open the rear of the vehicle, and we have tie downs in both the back and the front of the vehicle, as well as ample storage space. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle as well, our window controls, and some storage in the bottom of the door. Into the passenger's compartment, we can see that we have a storage container in the driver's seat. Between the 2 seats, we have our 2 vents. The passenger seat also has our storage compartment. Moving to these seats themselves, we can see that they are finished in the same black and gray that was in the front of the vehicle. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders, and behind the center seat is our power sliding third rear window, and all 3 seats in the back fold up to make some additional space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.